Hey guys, this is Richard, M&R Specialty Trailers and Trucks. We've got another combo barbecue unit going out. Normally Joe would be here with me doing the video, but he's was out of the state right now. But I'm going to do a quick video. It's a little unique. Here we got a 2-burner system here with a cutting board next to it. He's got a Cajun fryer. These are real nice fryers. We really like these. You come around, it's got a wood basket, it's got a cooler basket, storage box on the front, a couple of 30-pound propane tanks, stainless steel cutting board. He actually has a pig smoker. We built this for him, custom made, and as you can see, it's a pretty nice setup here. We kind of copied some other people's designs and kind of modified it for what he was looking to do. But I think this is going to turn out really nice for him. I'll close those later. Then of course we have our standard 72-inch New South smoker. We do have a fire starter. The propane, you see the propane lines running down below. I would open it all up, but we've got them zip tied for transfer. It's going to New York. Kevin Greer is, I'm not exactly sure what he's going to be doing with it, but he's up in New York, and this is getting shipped out today. So anyway, guys, just wanted to do a quick video of this. We thought it was interesting, nice, unique setup, and we will talk to you later.